Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about 6 basic Java interview question and answers in short. Can we declare an interface method as static? No, we'll be getting a compilation error. We can't mark a interface method as static. Only public and abstract are permitted for a method which is inside an interface. And one more point I want to just mention here. Static means it is attached to the class level, and in interface it deals with the object concepts, the concepts that are related to instances or objects. So here we should not mention the method as static. Only public and abstract are permitted. Can an interface be final? No. Interface is meant for extension. That means a class should implement an interface. Interface will have only the signatures, the method signatures, and the class which is going to implement will give the method or body for those method signatures. So we can't make it as final, because when you mark a class as final, that means nobody can extend it. So you will be getting a compilation error like only public and abstract are permitted for an interface. Can we define private protected modifiers with variables in interface? No. They are implicitly public and abstract. Only public and abstract are available or possible in the interface for variables. What is static import? By static import, we can access the static members of the class directly without prefixing it with a class name. Usually, say for example, you have a static class and there are some variables, static variables. So if you want to access those variables, you have to mention the class name dot the class variable. But if you use the static import, you can access directly those variables in your class. If you have one or two imports, that's fine, but if you're using more, it will impact the readability of the code readability. So please remember, if it's one or two, you can go ahead and use static import. What is the base class for error and exceptions? Throwable is the base class for exceptions and error. What is the difference between string buffer and string builder? String buffer is synchronized, whereas string builder is not synchronized. So string buffer you can use in the wherever you want thread safety. Hope these 6 questions are useful, though it is short. Thank you and all the best.